This video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on a MacBook. Everything is macOS. You can take a screenshot with this method. So I pull up the screen right here, the cheat sheet on how to take a screenshot. So please give a like and subscribe. I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide. So what you want to do is, if you want to take a screenshot of the entire screen on your Mac, is what you do is you do hold shift and command button, and then do number 3. So it's kind of delicate. So hold shift command and 3, and I'm gonna do that. And once you do that, it's gonna take a screenshot, as you can see, of the whole screen. Okay, so this is saved actually on the desktop, on your Mac desktop. So if you want to take a screenshot of a specific area of the screen, so you don't want a whole screen, you just want a part of it, you want to do shift command 4. So shift command and hit 4, and it's gonna show you a crosshair right here. As you can see, there's a crosshair across this, and you can take a screenshot of this. For example, you move around and then just drag it with your pad right here, and then release it, and it's gonna take screenshot of just that area. And the other one is you can take a screenshot of a specific window. Is you go to shift command plus 4 and then press the space bar and click on the window you want to capture. It's the shift command 4 and then press the space bar. So you have to do it while holding this and right away. So command shift 4 and space bar, it's going to show this screenshot right here of which one you want, which tab you want. So you can take a screenshot. It's going to take screenshot of this right here where I selected this. I suggest this one is a shift command plus 5. So you want to do shift command and number 5. And if you do this, it's going to show you an area right here, but it's going to give you more options at the bottom where you can roll over. It says capture entire screen, capture selected window, capture selected portion. You can even record the video of the entire screen, record selected window, record selected portion, and you have more options right here. You can do like save to desktop, documents, mail. So and then you can also have the capture format, show the mouse pointer, etc. So you can, right now I'm on the selected portion of the area, but I can do full screen as well. And if I select full screen, it's gonna go to full screen. And once you're ready, just hit the capture button. So it's gonna capture, and if you do it again, shift command 5, it's gonna show you here capture selected window. If you do this, it's gonna capture. When you roll over, it's gonna show a blue highlight over the window, and you can capture this window or another window. This is capturing the bottom bar. So if you have different window like open, I only have this one, but you can select which window you want to capture. Just position over, it will capture. And usually it will be saved on your desktop. So you go to your finder right here, click the finder, and you want to go to desktop. So select the desktop right here, and it's gonna go show you all the screenshots right here that you captured. This is saved here, and if you don't want it to be captured and saved on desktop, just to be on a clipboard so you can paste it somewhere, what you want to do is, if I want to capture in a memory, so shift control command, I'm gonna do number 4, because actually, sorry, like this is much easier. And yeah, so it shows me a crosshair. If I want to capture something right here, it's not going to show me at the bottom, but it's going to capture in the memory. So you go to your notes, as well here, and you want to paste it. So control command V, it's going to paste here. It's not going to save on the desktop. So if you add the control command shift, it's not gonna save to your desktop the image, but it's gonna copy it into your clipboard, and you can paste it in your documents, so you don't have so many files in your desktop. But I suggest you put it in desktop and drag it over So yeah, so that's how you actually take a screenshot with this. So you can do Command Control Shift and then 3. It's gonna take the whole screen, but there's no clipboard. So it's saved to clipboard. There's no saving to the desktop, and you can do Command V to paste this right here, the screenshot. So you have it right here, and this is useful. So it's kind of complicated. I suggest, like, in order to not have to push so many buttons, you just do Command Shift 5, and it's gonna pop up an option right here, and you can just select. So if you don't remember which number on the keyboard, you can just click on here, capture entire screen, capture selected window, capture portions. If you do this, it's gonna, you know, move it around, and you hit capture, and it's gonna save it to your, and you can click it, it's gonna save it to your desktop. You go back to your desktop, and it's gonna be in your desktop folder. So if you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.